Welcome to day 2 of the 5D 5-Day Challenge. I'm Christopher Donaleski, founder and president of AI Advisor Group. Today we're diving into discovery, the step that separates assumption from insight. Most businesses have more information than they think. They just haven't unlocked it yet. Discovery is about listening beneath the surface and uncovering the truth that's already there. Here's what I often see. A company senses friction. Projects are delayed. Adoption is low. Engagement is slipping. Leadership assumes it's the system, the market, the tools, but rarely do they ask, what's the actual experience of the people doing the work? Without discovery, organizations waste time solving the wrong problems or chasing solutions that don't stick. Discovery grounds your strategy in reality. It's not about having all the data. It's about asking the right questions. Discovery is where alignment begins. It's listening across levels, from the boardroom to the break room, to understand what's really happening. One client came to us during a contract lifecycle management overhaul. They had invested in a new system, but it wasn't delivering the ROI they expected. Through our discovery process, interviews, feedback loops, and simple stakeholder check-ins, we found that the real problem wasn't the tech. It was the lack of clarity around how contracts were actually managed day to day. People were creating workarounds and duplicating efforts because no one had mapped the real-life workflow. Once we surfaced these insights, we could align people, process, and system decisions, and the project picked up speed almost immediately. That's the power of discovery. It exposes the hidden patterns that are holding you back. Here's another example. A project management firm was struggling with cash flow. Everyone assumed it was a revenue issue. But during discovery, we uncovered that the real problem was delayed project closeouts. Teams weren't finalizing work fast enough to invoice. No software would have fixed that. The insight came from asking, what's getting in your way? And then listening. Today's challenge is simple, but it can be transformative. Choose 2 people in your organization, preferably from different roles. Ask them these 3 questions. What's working well? What's getting in your way? And what opportunity do you think we're missing? Listen carefully. Don't guide them, just capture their answers. Reflect. What surprised you? Where were they aligned? What themes emerged? This is your first real discovery layer, and it will tell you more than most reports ever will. By doing this, you're building trust and surfacing insight at the same time. You're showing your team that their perspective matters. Tomorrow, we'll move to define, where we take what you've discovered and narrow in on the real problem worth solving. Be sure to share your reflections using hashtag 5D 5-Day Challenge. And if you're ready to dig deeper with the guided discovery process, schedule a call with our team. I'll see you in day 3.